Big Bird train kiddie ride. Hopefully it works. It's turned on. So, yeah.
Please press the start button. C is for choo-choo, the sound of this train. S is for steam. A is for alphabet. Can you say it with Big Bird?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
B is for Big Bird.
Hi everybody, it's me, Big Bird.
1. Whistle. 2. Tickets.
Tickets please. Tickets please.
3. Bells. S is for steam.
I'm surprised that they've got new rides here. Didn't even expect them to have new rides here. Surprised. I've already filmed by myself, so I need to film Rupert Thomas, school bus. I've got a lot to film here, to be honest. Just the boat going off the track moves. I love this place, honestly. All some new rides and stuff. I don't even know what the Sigmobile is, but
Have another ride soon.
my parents refused to film. Obviously, Big Bird train from Fun2Learn.